lost her phone, so someone stole the phone. So we're doing something very scary, at least for me. Hi guys! So we're going for lunch right now. Shreya is leaving today. We are going after 2 days. And we're not very happy that she's going so early.
Yesterday was just too much fun.
Yeah, yesterday was too much fun.
I feel like the trip started yesterday.
So we're going to lunch and then Shreya will leave for the airport from there. And then we're gonna go to the beach. That's the plan as of now.
This is my last vlog, guys.
Yes, we couldn't shoot friends' videos and vlogs. I had so many things planned, but we just didn't get time.
Harshita, I'm not going to shoot it anymore.
We'll see. I think I have one thing planned, which I would want Shreya to be in. But let's see. Yes. Bye.
Where you from, come? But in a follow, come. Have you silicon? I got the finish work. Without you, I could feel lose my mind. Without you, I could feel fall and die. Without you, I could give up my life. Without you. Never did a back and it's real. Open the Vegas, you're my love, one thing. We make a bad man sing. You mean the world to me. You're my living fantasy. I love you. No one above you. Dafa, you just love to nobody. Dafa, all another nigga honey. Dafa, lover, I wanna be a lover forever, forever.
Hi guys, it's 5:30 AM right now. We're going to watch the sunrise. We haven't slept the entire night. We were talking and chilling. And now we're going to watch the sunrise and the beach. Yes, of course. And let's see how that looks. Hi guys, so it's day 6 in Goa. It's 10th, we're leaving tomorrow. And we really don't want to leave tomorrow. It feels so good, like we're having such a good time. And it feels like the trip is ending so soon. But yeah, yesterday I did not vlog much because we'd gone to Arambul beach. And Anushka lost her phone, so someone stole the phone yesterday night. And since then it's been very patchy. Because of that we had to go to the police station. We had lodged an FIR. And we were finding the phone now. So it was a long night yesterday. But then once we came home, we tried to cool it off. And we had an amazing night. We chilled, the three of us. Shreya left. So the three of us chilled. We had such a good time. We enjoyed. And then we went to watch the sunrise. So we did not sleep the whole night. And the sunrise was beautiful. We went to a nearby beach, the Candlelim beach. And after that we slept, so we woke up around 12:30 PM and now we're going for lunch. So there's this place called Tomatoes. We're gonna go there for lunch, and that's the plan as of now, and we'll see what happens next. Hi! So we just had lunch at Baba Aurum. It was good, it was amazing. There were so many different things we tried, and now we're at Baga Beach. This is the third or the fourth beach that I'm doing, and it's pretty crowded, but it looks so good. This is the view. This is my outfit. It's very normal jeans, top, and I'm barefoot because I lost one of my slippers in the beach yesterday, and it was old, but it was a very good slipper, and I lost it on the beach, so I couldn't afford to lose anymore. So I'm barefoot. Hi guys, so we're doing something very scary, at least for me. It's because it's my, and spontaneous, because it's my first time, but we're getting tattoos done. Anushka is already done, and Tanya is getting it done now, and I'm last. And look at these tattoos. So this is Anushka's tattoo. Tanya is also getting one tattoo done. We're all getting our star signs. Tanya, what's your star sign?
I'm a Pisces.
What's yours? And I'm a Leo. So I'm going to show you all my tattoo once I'm done. I'm very scared, I'm very skeptical because it's my first time, and I'm getting it done somewhere hidden so that it's not visible to me every time, but it's not that hidden also. But yeah, my parents have told me no, and they're not really comfortable with me getting it done. But I wanted to try something new, and it's a very minimal thing. It's not that big of an issue, and I think they liked it as well. So the rest we'll get to know once they actually see it. So let's go.
It ain't gonna work if you don't want it to. Best drink I take is when I'm sipping you. You know where I go when we're dancing. Handshakes in the Hamptons and getting drunk in the mansions with you. And you look so classy. Come through with that magic. You know that I'm about to smash it. It's true. Yeah, you can call me lover boy. They say I throw my heart
So it's the last day in Goa. So our bags are packed and we're finally going. We're not ready to leave, but we're going to have lunch on our way to the airport.
I'll show you how to fall in love. We'll be the talk of all the town. Now everybody wants
So we're finally leaving. How do you feel about it?
I've had the best time over here.
We've had so much fun. So last time saying bye to the house, to them. Bye. Guys, make sure to check out this house, okay? Whenever you visit Goa. Beautiful. Plus, you don't even have to clean it yourself. Didis and bhaias are here to help you. This is the whole colony society of the house. You have swimming pools. All houses are mostly occupied every time with people, so you never feel secluded as well. So beautiful. You should definitely check it out.
kill the lights, so baby close your eyes. The way you're looking at me, you got me mesmerized. Something I can't